Hello everyone, nice to meet you. This is Summer. Glad to see you at Kingkar DPF cleaning machine factory today. This video, I will introduce the details of DPF 5.0 machine to you. First, you can see DPF 5.0 is left and right structure. The advantage of the left and right structure is, first, it can clean a very large or very long DPF because this cleaning chamber is independent in the left side. And the second advantage is that it will be more safer when you use the cleaning machine because the water in the cleaning chamber will not be easy to leakage to the right side. So first, let me show you the details about DPF 5.0 machine's cleaning chamber. Open the door. Okay, open the door, you can see this material of the cleaning chamber is 304 stainless steel. So it have a high quality, can make sure this machine can use at least 8 to 10 years. And this is a universal trend. This universal trend is designed for the cylindrical DPF. It can suitable for all sizes of cylindrical DPF. And on the bottom of the cleaning chamber, there is a heater inside. So we use warm water to clean the DPF. So this is the details of the left side cleaning chamber of DPF 5.0 machine. Let's go to the right side. In the right side, you can see this is Kingkar's PLC control system. You can choose language. So you can see we have two models of cleaning, automatic cleaning or manual cleaning. And you can check the cleaning process in the screen. You can set the cleaning time, set the temperature of the water, and also in the manual model, you can set the start flashing time and the air purging. You can set the pressure of the air. And there are three buttons. This is the start button, this is the stop button, and this is the giant button for the waste water. DPF 5.0 machine also have the printing function. We will compare the date of the pressure inside the DPF to show you the cleaning effects. Okay, so this is the whole PLC control system. On the bottom of the PLC control system, open the door. Okay, this is the layout of the wires. You can see we use the imported Schneider switches, which have a high quality, long life, and very safe. We are not easy to leakage when you're cleaning. Layout of the wires is very clear. Every layout of wires have a mark. So even if this machine have any problem, you can contact our after-sales service and engineer. They will help you to find the problem. On the bottom of the layout wires, there are other devices of Kingkar DPF cleaning machine. So this is the water pump, this is the air tank, and inside is the filter tank. And this is the three-way ball valve. And in this side, this is the hole to add the DPF cleaner agent. And on the bottom of the pump, this is the water tank. Okay, on the other side, open this door. Just now I mentioned that this is the water pump. It will pump the wastewater on the bottom of the cleaning chamber, and the wastewater will be purified by the filter system. The filter tank will install a filter bag inside. This filter bag is a 10 microfarad high-density filter bag. Wastewater running through the filter bag will be purified. This filter bag is reusable after cleaning and drying. So we will equip the 20 pieces of the filter bag with the machine together to your workshop. And this gas tank needs to connect with the air compressor of your workshop. Then we can use the machine. DPF 5.0 machine just need to connect with the water, electricity, and air compressor to use. So it's very easy and very convenient. This is the full details of DPF 5.0 machine.